What's popping, guys? Welcome back to I don't know which part this is actually, it's been quite a while. But anyways, your new automobile gets an average of 38 miles per gallon. You plan a round trip to your favorite football game. Distance for one way is 980 miles. The gas costs, here, wait, I covered a bit of the 980. Distance for one way is 980 miles. Gas costs $3 per gallon. How much would you expect to pay for gas? First, we have to find out our total distance. So you're doing a round trip, and if distance for one way is 980 miles, a round trip is 980 times 2, which is 1960. Now, you can go 38 miles on 1 gallon of fuel. So that's divided by 38 to see how many gallons you'll need. That is, sorry, it's a bit tough to do in your head. What, 51? We can just round this to 0.6, 51.6. Right? And now we're paying $3 per gallon. So we need 51.6 gallons and we have to pay $3 per gallon. So let's do this times 3. And now we get, this is equal to approximately, let's use the approximately symbol. The actual correct number is 51.57, by the way. I just did the math. And this is equal to approximately 154.7, which is option B over here. Now, next question. The answer in a division problem is this is called the quotient. You can already eliminate these two. You may be familiar with these terms, difference and sum, right? Now, quotient and dividend can be a bit tough, but you have to know that it's the quotient. Now, next one, question 67. 5 batteries cost $6.98. What is the cost per battery to the nearest 100th? So we do 6.98. And then again, there are 5 batteries, so we divide this by 5, and we get the answer. 6.98 divided by 5 is equal to 1.396. And again, whenever you have money, you round this. So this would be rounded to 1.40, which is option D. Now we are on to 68. A can of soda has 12.5 ounces. How many ounces are in a 12 pack of soda? Well, if one can is 12.5 and if a pack of 12 has 12, you do 12, not 1.25, 12.5 times 12, which is equal to, I really should be able to do this in my head. I don't know. My brain's just hurting a little bit. Anyways, 150, right? Yes, that is correct. 150. Next, convert 8.35 into a mixed fraction. So what I like to do is I like to make it big at first. So I do 8 and 35 over 100. Well, this is equal to 800 over 100, right? 800 over 100, which is the same thing as 8, plus 35 over 100, right? So now we get 835 over 100. Now we can see 20s over here. So what I'll do is I'm going to divide the top and the bottom by 5 over 5, which is now 20, and then 835 divided by 5 is, you will have a calculator. You can also do this in your head though, is 167. So 167 over 20, is that an answer choice? Yes, it is. That is option B. 69 is B. Oh, sorry, mixed fraction. So this is a mixed number, not a mixed fraction. A mixed fraction will always have the number, so it'll have the number and then it'll have a fraction. So 167 over 20 is equal to 8, right, is equal to 8, and 8 is equal to 160 over 20, right, plus 7 over 20, so 8 and 7 over 20. So a mixed fraction is this, 8 and 7 over 20. This is an improper fraction. This is an improper fraction. Next, during your first year of college, you take 5 classes, 3 credits each. You earn A's for 2 classes, B's for 2 classes, and a D for 1 class. What is your GPA? Well, if you earn A's for 2 classes, that is 8, right? 4.0 times 2. B's for 2, that is 6. And D for 1, that is 5. So D for 1, that's not 5. That's the total amount here is 15. And you have 5 classes, so divided by 5, this is equal to 3.0, which is option C, 3. Anyways, I hope that you're finding this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.